So this is my favorite ice cream, gelato. Yeah. This one is his. So very busy. We're gonna be. I forgot my rubber shoes at home, so we're gonna try to find new rubber shoes here. Hopefully they have sale. I'm gonna buy new rubber shoes. And besides, my rubber shoes is like how many years ago? So old. I need to buy a new one. Yeah, if we're gonna go hiking, we need to buy. I really need to have new shoes, new rubber shoes.
This will never happen.
What do you mean?
Nothing.
That's not true. We're gonna go. Because I really want to. We go to the mountains.
It will not happen this week. Happen next week.
No, Sunday, di ba, be? Sunday tayo pupunta.
We're busy this week. I like this ice cream. It's soft. It's like one of my favorite vanilla. This is probably French vanilla.
Okay, I need to eat now.
Just a for video.
I'm gonna put my bag here so that I can place this one and you can see me eating this ice cream. Sarap. Sarap. Delicious.
For sharing the crepe. Or should I say crème? This is from France.
The crepe here is so smooth, soft, so soft, which is really good for me because I like really soft.